guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjana here, and into this video I'm going to share you about my favorite sunscreen and also some facts and myths regarding sunscreen. So whatever the details that I'm going to share with you guys today is totally based on my research. Yes, I do study. Okay, so when I was searching for the perfect sunscreen for my skin during the summertime, what should I use? At that time I actually searched for what particular things we should keep in mind while using sunscreen. So I just came around certain research paper and certain articles that how to use sunscreen and during what time we should use sunscreen, and whether we should use sunscreen at everyday basis or not, and whether we should use sunscreen at our home or not. So keeping these things in mind, let's just start the video. Okay, so the first myth which we used to hear about sunscreen is that whether we should use sunscreen at home. Is it true? Like some people says that it is not required, but according to dermatologists it is required to wear sunscreen even at home, at least from morning 8 a.m. till evening 12 p.m. or 4 p.m. Like this is the time period where we should require to wear sunscreen, be it indoor, you are staying indoor, or be it you are staying outdoor. It doesn't matter where you are. Okay, so that means you should use sunscreen, right? And okay, so why we actually use sunscreen? To stay away from the tanning? No, not just that, it is a major point that it helps in getting rid of tan, or it is actually protecting us from getting tanned. But there is another thing, it actually keeps our skin blemish free. Like I was not wearing it and my skin was like ridiculous at that time, and it is getting day by day better. But yeah, I was facing some pimple issue, that is because of hormonal changes, right? Okay, so the thing is, it also helps in getting skin blemish free. It helps in protecting us from tanning. It helps in, the major thing is protecting us from aging. So yeah, that is why dermatologist recommends us to wear sunscreen even at home. So guys, regarding the myth number 2, that shutting windows will actually, helps to block the sun rays. So is it true? Like sun rays can be blocked, shutting windows can help to block the sun rays, but according to dermatologists, only UVB lights can be stopped by shutting the windows. That is, you can only be protected from tanning, right? But according to them, UVA rays, which is cancer causing rays, will still enter inside no matter what, where we are, right? So wearing sunscreen is, that's why, really important. Even when the windows are shut down, no matter what, wear sunscreen. Some people say that sun is the only major skin damaging villain. Is it true? I don't think so, and even not the dermatologist. This says that we are using our phone, laptop, our TVs, these big screens, we are watching and sitting like anything, right? So what these big screens are actually doing is they are actually emitting blue, short and fluctuating waves. So these waves will actually damage our skin and causes hyperpigmentation. It also causes wrinkles. So this is the major damage what we are facing right now. We are sitting in front of the screens and watching it for hours, Netflix and Amazon Prime and what so not, especially during the quarantine, right? So whenever you want to watch your Netflix, do put your sunscreen on, okay, to protect it from the major tech skin problems. So these were the 3 major myths which I have came across while studying on the basis of sunscreen, and I have given you a counter facts regarding it. So the major thing which we learned during this is that we should use sunscreen no matter what, no matter where we are, right? Okay, so I just want to share you my favorite sunscreen over here, that is Mamaearth sunscreen. It is ultra light on the skin and it is especially made for the Indian skins. Look at the brand, it is so freaking beautiful sunscreen on your face. It is such a lightweight sunscreen, just look at it. The formula is so good and it is actually paraben free sunscreen. I'll just show you guys how it looks on my skin. Just look at it, there is no patchy skin with this sunscreen. Some sunscreens use this powdery thing inside it and it makes your skin really white and patchy somewhere, like some skin so amazingly and softly. Just look at it, only this much of quantity is required and it will go upon your skin like this smooth. Trust me, it is amazing. Okay, so this sunscreen is actually 50 SPF and it is specially made for the Indian skin tone, paraben free, dermatologically tested. All the things are given behind the sunscreen, like ingredients, direction to apply and the caution. Please do check out the link in the description box to check out the product. So the price was also even very reasonable. I got these two creams from Mamaearth and it cost me around 749 rupees for both of this. This cream is also like the miracle thing. This cream is actually a face moisturizer. It contains apple cider vinegar and I have been using since a longer time, like 1 year now, and it actually helps me to get rid of the oil on my face. So yeah, I have some hormonal changes, like look at this. This is because whenever I get my periods. But yeah, these two creams are wonder. Just give me some time, I will be showing you my clear face too, and while using these two amazing products. So I had already applied the sunscreen on my face and I gave you the demo. Like look at it, there is no patches and this cream is so smooth. It doesn't even feel like you're wearing something on your skin. That's what you want, right? So yeah, I'll just recommend you to buy Mamaearth sunscreen if you are also having this issue in summer, especially that you are getting oil over your face, or especially over your T-zone, especially over your nose. If you are getting so much irritated with that oil, I'll recommend you to buy this. Trust me, if you have oily skin, it will work so good for you. Even if you have dry skin, then also it will be works wonder for you, because this is not at all making your skin oily or making your skin dry. It will be like stabilizing the pH balance of your skin and will be giving you a soft finish over your face. You can wear it under your makeup also. This will be like a Jesus for you. Trust me, because it is so moisturizing that you don't even need the moisturizer for the timing. So this cream is highly recommended if you want. Otherwise, there are n number of brands available out there. You can wear whatever the sunscreen you really like, but I'll just recommend you to wear sunscreen while you are sitting at home or while you are going out, right? Okay guys, for today's video that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do like it, do give me a big fat thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, do not forget to click on that subscribe button, red in color right there, and also please do not forget to click on the bell icon next to it, because you will be going to notify whenever I'll be coming with the next video update. Okay, for now, bye bye, lots of love, stay happy and stay healthy.